First thing we want to do is remove the oil fill cap. This is going to help the crankcase vent properly when draining our engine oil. After that, using a 17mm socket, we'll go ahead and remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. As the oil is draining, now is a good chance to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, you'll want to replace it to prevent any future leaks. Now, we'll reinstall the drain bolt and torque it to 14 foot-pounds. Using a 65mm oil filter wrench, we'll go ahead and unthread the old oil filter. Now to prep this filter for install, we'll want to apply a thin coat of oil to the gasket. That's going to help replacing it on our next service a lot easier. And we'll simply thread it back in place and torque this to 13 foot-pounds. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Kawasaki recommends that this unit holds 3.3 quarts of 10W40 motorcycle oil. Make sure you use motorcycle oil because any kind of automotive oil can cause the clutches to slip, and we don't want that. Now we'll simply thread in our oil fill cap. Now it's time to start the motorcycle up and let it idle for a few moments. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly. Once it's done that, we'll shut the engine off and let it sit for a few moments. That's going to help us achieve an accurate oil level reading. On the right side of the motorcycle, there's a sight glass. We want our oil level to be into the middle to the upper portion of the sight window. And this looks great. So guys, let's hit the road.